Hello everyone. I've been waiting for this for a long while. It's Michelle and I'm really pleased to have you here with me. This was ordered in May. It was their kind of May bundle, I think they call them. And it actually arrived today, which is, well, I'm recording this on the 17th of July. So, it did come with a lot of bubble wrap and in a big brown envelope with this inside. I haven't yet peeked to see what it is, so this will be my real reaction. And it is the laminated edition Studio Surface edition. So let us take this out. Feel something else. Right, there we go. That is everything. So, mini artwork card set, cold pressed. Let's see what this is then. I think this was about, was it £90 or £100? It was one or the other. It was so long ago, I've forgotten now. 15 sheets of 300 GSM, 100% cotton, cold pressed. Okay, so are these literally just little cards? I think they probably are. Oh, they're a nice weight. Feels like it's nice paper. We've got a size 2.5 by 3.5. So these are the same size as artist trading cards, in actual fact. I can't open that up again now to put it back. Oh, there we go. Is it there? Yes, there we are. So they will be really handy because I do some of these little artist trading cards, and I put them in the Art Angles Art Collective Gallery where I have some of my work for people to buy. So yeah, really sweet. That's quite nice. What have we got here? The Swatch item, cold pressed, 100% cotton, 300 GSM, 30 sheets, includes 30 days free access to online art classes. Oh wow. Wow, that's rather nice. So the Swatch system, let's see what that is then. I'll get rid of these out of the way. Swatch and learn, getting to know your paint's personalities. We've got a QR code, and this is the QR code for some art classes, so that's rather lovely. And then are these just blank, or oh, they are joined together. Hold on, let me just take them out of that. We've got a big button here and they open up. Oh, look. Oh, that's rather nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Quite a lot of my sets have got 7 paints in that I've been using recently. So that is also, let me just see if I can keep all of this in shot. So that's rather lovely as well. I'll keep the box over to one side. What is this? This is watercolor paper block in collaboration with Kathleen Baran, an artist and educator in the Philippines. Hot pressed. for its smooth surface and ability to capture fine, intricate details. Includes 30 days free access to online art classes again. Okay, so this is hot pressed, 6 by 6 inches, 100% cotton. There's 15 sheets here, 300 GSM, and it is a watercolor block, so it's glued on all 4 sides. I am just going to, if I can find it, grab my, there it is, little craft knife. See if I can get in here. Oops. Does that open? Yes, that opens. And then you've got this black. Right, okay, so you're going to have to remove that. There's the little bit at the bottom here that you would put your, well, I mean, you can use a palette knife, I suppose, but I've got one of these that I use to pop. I'm used to it being that end, but it's this end. Yeah, I just want to get to the paper, basically, so let's just see if I can. It's always can be a bit tricky to get in there. Oh, there we go. Oh, that didn't come away very well, did it? Let's just keep going like that. And we will get it all. Right, okay, so although it says smooth, it has got that kind of cotton texture to it. So that's a nice size as well. I like a bit of a watercolor block, so that's good. And then we've got these 2. Laminated edition The Surface Study Sketchbook. This is 7 by 7 inches, 44 pages. Mixed watercolor papers. Okay. So are they all different then? Well, let's see. Maybe they are separate sheets of paper, possibly, because this is a box. Okay, and that's where we get in. She says, okay, there we go. Oh. And we've got that QR code again. Just going to pop that over there. Yep, that box is now empty. Wow, this bronze, can you see that? 230 GSM cold pressed paper, 100% cotton. 250 GSM black paper, cellulose. 220 GSM hot pressed paper, 100% cotton. And it does say perfect for wet and mixed media and opens flat. Okay. So I was right, it's got different, can I slide that off to be able to keep it, or maybe not by the looks of it? Maybe I can. Right. That's not work. Oh, hold on. Is that moving now? Yes, it's moving. Good. I was thinking I would keep this so as I know what it is. Okay. Yeah, you can tell that this paper isn't as thick. I mean, I don't really use black paper, but maybe the lessons that you get for free might help. Yeah. So that's your hot pressed, that's your black, that's your cold pressed. And if I move that out of the way, apparently it is, and it is lay flat. Okay, so art makes us human, it says. I'm just gonna pop that in there, and it will just put that one there. And then this is the final one, the laminated edition sketchbook, portrait format, cold pressed. The size is B5, 100% cotton, deckled edges, 300 GSM. Oh, that's been a bit more of a helping hand. And we need to be able to get in this one. And in each one there seems to have been one of these. So whether they're all the same or relating to each of the items, I'm not sure. Let's see if we can wiggle this one off as well. Okay, so this is a gorgeous colour. Laminated edition. Okay, let's see what we've got. Any other information on the back here? Nothing more than what was on the front here. So okay. It doesn't actually say that this one lays flat. So right, that is glued. That's glued. Oh, okay. That could be difficult. Maybe I'll use those front pages for something else. Right, this seems to be a bit better as you... Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you might find that this takes a little bit of pressing down. Going to need some paper clips. Is there a little thing at the back? No. But we have got... Ah. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this, but mine was somehow almost glued to the edge here. And whether that's on purpose or not, I don't know. But I don't really use ribbons anyway. I do appreciate having an elastic though, which is really useful. And this is quite a nice size. So yes, there we go. That is everything that was in the May bundle, which was the, what was it called again? Hold on. The laminated edition Studio Surface edition. So, you know, that's, I don't know if they still have that available or not, but, yes, I will be trying some of these out. Oh, pick my rubbish up off the floor. Yeah, trying some of these out and seeing, you know, what they're like. I'm trying to think. I don't think I've got anything Etchr. I've always found them a little bit on the expensive side, but when I saw that they were doing a bundle, I thought I would give it a go. So, what we would call artist trading cards, a little swatch system. We've got this watercolor block, which I think is marvelous. We've got these different surfaces in this. I really love this bronze. And then we've got this deckled edged lovely sketchbook as well. So do you think it was worth my I'm pretty sure it was £90. Do you think it was worth £90 or not? Yeah, I think it probably is from the price of the Etchr items. So there we are. Let me know if you've already had a go at playing with any of these yourselves and how you've got on. But I will be sharing that with you over the next few weeks. All right. Bye for now.